Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Favorite with Flavor. Today I am bringing to you smothered shrimp and andouille sausage. This is such a delicious meal that your family is sure to love. So here's the list of ingredients that you're going to need. You'll need andouille sausage, some minced garlic, celery, bell peppers. Any color of bell peppers that you choose is perfectly fine. You'll also need an onion, some fresh thyme, some fresh basil, that's what I chose to use today, and some bay leaves. You're going to need some shrimp. I did use fresh shrimp instead of frozen shrimp today. You're also going to need some diced tomatoes, a can of tomato sauce, black pepper, your favorite Cajun seasoning, and also a little bit of salt. Now that we have everything we need, let's get cooking. So the first thing we want to do is clean our shrimp. So again, I am using fresh shrimp, so you do need to take the shells off and remove the vein. Or you can also use the frozen shrimp. It's totally up to you, but I wanted to go with fresh shrimp. So see that vein there? That's what we're gonna take out, okay? You don't wanna leave that in there. And then I just gave mine a good rinse, made sure I had everything out of it, and then you're good to go. Again, frozen shrimp is definitely an option. So now I'm just going to go in with about a tablespoon of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. The first thing we're going to do is sear up our shrimp. Now that our skillet has heated and our butter has melted, we're going to go in and add our shrimp, and we're going to cook this shrimp about 3 to 4 minutes per side. So now what you want to do is flip the shrimp over and let it cook 3 to 4 minutes on the other side. After the other side has finished cooking, you just want to remove this from the skillet. Now we're going to add in our andouille sausage, and we're going to let this brown up. We're going to give this a little bit of color, okay? Ah, look at there. Beautiful color. Now we can remove that. We're going to take that out and put that to the side and get ready to start on our veggies. So now you want to go ahead and add your veggies besides the garlic to the skillet, and we're going to saute this up for about 8 to 10 minutes. We don't want it to have a lot of texture to it, but we don't want it extra soft either. You guys let me know in the comment section, what did you guys cook for dinner today? My hubby's birthday is right around the corner, so he wanted something with shrimp, so this is what I chose to make him. So now that my veggies have gotten to the texture that I wanted them to, I'm going to go back in with that minced garlic, and I'm going to cook this for about another minute or 2. Now you want to go in with your can of tomatoes and also your can of tomato sauce. I did use 2 cans of those tomatoes and 2 cans of that tomato sauce. So just give all of it a really good mix, get everything nice and blended. And I did go ahead and choose to use just about a teaspoon and a half of tomato paste, okay? You don't have to add the tomato paste in if you don't want to, because this will thicken up as we go. And I forgot to add the seasoning on camera. I thought I had pressed record, but I didn't. So add your seasonings at this point and go back in with just a tad bit of salt. Make sure you're tasting as you go so you'll know how much seasoning you need, okay? Now we're gonna go back in with our sausage and our shrimp, and we're gonna give all that a good mix. Now we're going to go in with our fresh herbs, that basil, the fresh thyme, and also the bay leaves. You're going to give this a good mix, and then we're going to pop the lid on, and we're going to allow this to cook for about 30 minutes. I did let mine go for 30 minutes today. So now it has been 30 minutes. I'm gonna go back in and give this another good stir. As you can see, our sauce has thickened up. And with this dish here, you can cook this with a roux, or you can do a tomato gravy as I have done today, okay? What you wanna do is take the bay leaves out at this point and just put those to the side or discard them, okay? My dad is always one for making smothered shrimp, so I decided to redo his dish and just amp it up just a little bit. But I love his smothered shrimp. Thanks, Dad. And boom. Here is that final product. Okay, guys, I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. I hope you decide to give this a try. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, please do. Be sure to give me a thumbs up. Always remember, when you are in the kitchen, you are always favored with flavor. You guys be sure to come back and catch me soon with another video. See you later.